Imagine a world without us. No skyscrapers piercing the sky, no internet, no cities, no language, just silence, interrupted only by wind, water, and the call of wild creatures. Now imagine this. Earth kept evolving exactly as it did for 4 billion years, except humans never appeared. What would the planet look like? Who would rule it? And would intelligence still find a way? Let's find out. About 7 million years ago, the ancestors of modern humans split from a common ancestor we share with chimpanzees. But in this alternate timeline, that split never happened. Our distant ape relatives continued their quiet existence in Africa's forests, never venturing far, never learning to walk fully upright. There were no stone tools, no control of fire, no leap from curiosity to consciousness. The Earth rolled on, oblivious. With humans gone, other species would step into the roles we left behind. Evolution doesn't stop, it adapts. In Africa, the great apes thrive. Gorillas and chimpanzees diversify into dozens of new species, spreading through the jungles and savannas like early humans once did. Without human hunting, megafauna, the massive beasts of the Ice Age, survive. Woolly mammoths still roam Siberia. Saber-toothed cats still stalk the plains. Giant ground sloths lumber through South America, untouched by our spears or fire. Australia, still ruled by massive marsupials. Diprotodon, a bear-sized wombat, wanders the outback. The Earth would be filled with creatures we only know from fossils, because no one hunted them to extinction. Zoom out. No cities glow at night. No satellites orbit overhead. No pollution drifts through the air. The carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would be far lower, roughly 280 parts per million, the same as before the Industrial Revolution. Global temperatures would be cooler, the ice caps thicker, the Amazon rainforest untouched, the oceans crystal clear. Coral reefs would still blaze with color, no plastic, no oil spills, no dead zones. It would be a pristine planet, a version of Earth we destroyed before we even realized what it was worth. But here's the big question. If humans never evolved, would something else take our place? Nature loves intelligence. It's one of evolution's most powerful survival tools. So maybe it wouldn't stop at us. Option 1, the octopus. In the oceans, octopuses already show signs of problem solving, tool use, and even emotional intelligence. Give them a few million years, and they might have developed complex communication. Imagine an underwater civilization built of coral and shell, ruled by cephalopods. Option 2, the corvids. Crows and ravens are smarter than many mammals. They use tools, recognize faces, and plan for the future. Without humans, they'd thrive, maybe evolving bigger brains, larger bodies, and social structures rivaling early primates. Option 3, the elephants. They mourn their dead, remember faces for decades, and communicate with subsonic rumbles that travel miles. Given time and stability, elephants could become the Earth's philosophers. Let's play this out 10 million years into the future. By now, one of those species, maybe the corvids, starts using tools consistently. They sharpen sticks, use stones, and begin hunting cooperatively. They develop communication, not human language, but a structured series of calls and signals. They form societies. They migrate. They start altering the environment. Sound familiar? This is what evolution does. Even without us, the spark of intelligence finds a way. Maybe not through primates, but through wings or fins. The universe seems determined to create minds that can wonder about themselves. Let's zoom back to the present, or rather our version of it. Without humans, the forests of Europe stretch unbroken from Portugal to Siberia. Bison and wolves roam freely. The Great Plains of North America are filled with mammoths, mastodons, and giant beavers. The skyline is silent. No airplanes, no contrails. But life isn't peaceful. Without us to tame it, nature is brutal, chaotic, and raw. Predators rule. Species rise and fall in endless cycles. Still, It's balanced. Every creature has a place. Earth is wild, but whole. Here's the hard truth. If humans never evolved, the planet would almost certainly be healthier. No deforestation, no climate crisis, no mass extinction caused by one species. But better depends on how you define it. Without us, the world is beautiful, but it doesn't know it's beautiful. There are no telescopes peering into galaxies, no art, no music, no philosophy, no one to look at a sunset and feel something eternal. We are the only species, as far as we know, that can appreciate existence itself. Without humans, the universe would remain silent about its own wonder. Now let's rewind to the smallest details. The entire human story, every civilization, every invention, every song, depended on one fragile chain of events. A genetic mutation here, a climate shift there, a meteor wiping out the dinosaurs, clearing the stage for mammals. If even one of those steps didn't happen, we wouldn't be here. It's humbling to realize how accidental we are, but also how precious. We've already changed the planet more than any species in history, but that power gives us something new. Choice. We can destroy or we can preserve. We can dominate or coexist. If humans vanished tomorrow, Earth would recover. If humans evolve further, emotionally, ethically, spiritually, we might learn to recover with it. The lesson of this what if isn't regret, it's perspective. Because the truth is, the world without us might be beautiful, but the world with us can still be extraordinary. If we choose to make it that way, in the end, we are a cosmic accident, but an accident that can love, create, and dream. Maybe that's what makes us worth keeping. Curious about the universe? Subscribe for more questions that make you feel small and alive.